Hello, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to Tank Talks Movies. And guess what month it is? It's October! And you know what that means? October is the month where we get to be all creepy and scary and spooky. And today's movie I'm talking about is The Wielder of this bad boy. Texas Chainsaw Massacre. Okay, the movie starts off with a narration by probably a police officer or of some sort, or somebody from the law. Then we cut to two siblings. Franklin and I want to say Vanessa. I'm probably wrong. Correct me if I'm wrong. In the comments, correct me. This movie is... Okay, sorry. Getting off track. Okay, they're driving around in a van because they're going to Texas because they fear that their grandfather's grave has been dug up. In Texas, they have grave robbers and cannibals and a whole bunch of other jargon. Shut up. Okay, so they're going down to, they got to the graveyard, they talked to these people, and then, their grandfather's fine, he didn't get dug up, but they're running low on gas, so they have to go to a gas station that has no gas. But they have barbecue. Human barbecue. Shut up. Now, this movie is a little creepy. It won't scare many people today, but back in the day, it scared the shit out of plenty of people. Leatherface is a scary murderer. He's pretty much based on a real human, but he's not a chainsaw wielding thing. He's more of the Buffalo Bill from Silence of the Lambs character that he removed their skin and wear it as clothing. Ugh, weird. And we go to the scenes where Leatherface is just murdering a bunch of people, and the cute girl gets away, the handicapped person dies, and the pretty girl, horror movie logic. Has ever been a surviving male protagonist in a movie, a horror movie, a matter of fact? Could you please comment and tell me if there ever was? Oh wait, there was a wrong turn. Yeah. But that was a hot chick and a dude. This movie, guys, I highly recommend it. If you watch it with a girl, they might get scared and jump in and have you hold them. And guys, we all enjoy that. There's several gory scenes, so if you have a child that is like under the age of 10 or max, not even 13. Well, 13 you could probably watch this. Like under 11, I believe you shouldn't be watching stuff like this. But if you just tell them they're not real. Okay, parents, let me tell you something right now. Yes, you're correct. Leatherface isn't real. He's based on a real character, though. I told you that before. But there are psychopaths out there. This is an imaginary psychopath, but he was based on a real person. Now, I would highly recommend that movie to anybody out there that loves the horror genre and a good slasher film never hurts anybody. Until you get those loonies that watch them too much and think, I think he'll cut somebody's head off with a chainsaw. Click, click, away, then zippy tie. Okay, seriously guys. I'll be doing a lot more of these horror films this October. And there'll be some that are really good, some that are alright, and some that are average. But I'm wondering what I should do next. This has been Tank Talks Movies. Signing off.